Hi students, today we are going to learn Arabic language. I will show you how to learn Arabic language very fast and simple way. This is the first letter of Arabic language, Alif. This is three sounds will come from Alif letter. It is A, U, E. A, U, E. For example, Alif for Arnab. Alif for Arnab. Arnab means rabbit. Next we will see the letter Ba. Ba we can pronounce three types: Ba, Bu, Bi. Ba, Bu, Bi. When Ba will come in the first part of a word, it looks like this: Ba for bint. And if it comes in the middle part of a word, it looks like this. And we will read, for example, flower. It means abiyad. And if it comes in the end of a word, it looks like this. For example, kalba. We will see next Ba for baid. Ba for baid. For baid means egg. Next we will see the letter Tha. It is the third letter of Arabic language, and Tha we can pronounce three types: Tha, Tu, Thi. Tha, Tu, Thi. And when Tha will come in the first part of a word, it looks like this. And if it comes in the middle part, we can write like this. And if it comes in the end of a word, Tha will write like this. Next we will see the letter Ta. This is the third letter of Arabic language. And Tha, when in a word, when Tha will come first part of a word, it looks like this. And if in the middle part of a word, we can write like this. And at the end of a word, it looks like this. Tha we will pronounce three sounds are there in Tha. Tha, Tu, Thi. Tha for Tahlabu means fox. And Tha for Thuban for snake. Tha for Tamar, fruit. Next we will see the letter Jim. When Jim will come in the first part of a word, it will looks like this. And in the middle part of a word, we can write like this. And if Jim comes in the end of a word, it looks like this. And it will come like this also. So Jim for Jaras. When it is come in the first part of the word, Jaras. And this is Najim. And if it comes in the end of a word, we can read Taj. It looks like this. And Ja, Jim we will pronounce three types: Ja, Ju, Ji. So today we learned the first five letters of Arabic language. They are Alif, Ba, Tha, Tha, Jim. So wait for the part 2. Please subscribe, share and support